Hey guys, check it out. This is how you use an image. You insert the image, choose anyone with your face. You can take a picture of yourself, insert it. Then you're gonna click on the image, then you're gonna copy it. You're gonna go back, you're gonna insert image prompt, then you're gonna paste what you just copied. Comma, and there you go. You can put, I chose to do Spider-Man, comma, and I have my settings set to --V4. So if you don't have your settings set to that, make sure you insert it right there. I only did Spider-Man, but I could have did Spider-Man, comma, comic, city background, realistic, 4K. I could have did all that, but I just went simple on this one. And wait till you see the results. It's pretty simple. All this was done through my phone, so you don't have to do it on your computer. And here are the results. This is it at 30%. It's almost there, sorry guys. This is it at 100%. It's gonna load one more time and you're gonna see the results. Pretty simple, guys.